Remind the function which represents a periodic motion. So this is e to the power x graph. This is e to the power x. So as you can see, there is no periodicity here. Okay, no motion is getting repeated. Okay, same with e to the power minus x graph. Okay, now someone may tell that, okay, here's omega t, here's minus omega t. So omega is basically constant, which is dependent upon the medium, the setup which is dependent upon the setup, and t. So as t increases, omega t increases. So e to the power omega t. So the nature of the graph is this only. Okay, so there is no periodicity associated with both, and same thing with log x also. So there is no periodicity with log x graph also. Okay, now only option remaining is C. So therefore C is going to be the correct answer, and this is the graph of sine omega t plus cos omega t. Okay, so how we do it is basically we multiply it by root 2. So root 2 into sine omega t, and we divide it by root 2. Now sine 1 by root 2 is basically cos of pi by 4. Okay, and plus this becomes cos omega t into sine of pi by 4. So this is basically root 2 into sine of omega t plus pi by 4. Now as we can see that this is having an initial phase, this is theta naught, this is the amplitude which is root 2, and the angular frequency is omega. Thus it's going to repeat itself as it's evident from the graph also. So, okay, so the graph is having root 2 as its amplitude. It starts from 1, because it's kind of root 2 sine omega t plus pi by 4, that is omega t is 0, so sine omega t 1 by root 2. So this is, it starts from 1 and then it moves to the amplitude which is root 2 at pi by 4, and as you can see this motion is repetitive. So this is the time period, and again it repeats itself. Okay, so therefore there is only one periodic motion here, which is C.